you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kealey, and you're tuning in to Beauty by Kealey. For the ones that have been with me, hi, how are you? And for the ones that's just tuning in, thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Hi, how are you? So today is another tutorial day. Woo! So I ended up getting a comment from one of my subscribers to do an eyeliner tutorial, and that is just what I'm going to do today, okay? You ask and you shall receive, okay? Today I'm actually going to be using the eyeliner adhesive from my line, and I will link the description down below. And the reason why I want to use my eyeliner adhesive is because I want to do a pair of my lashes today, but the same concept is going to apply with any liner that you use or any liquid eyeliner that you use. So the concept is going to be the same on how I do my eyeliner. More specifically, a wing tutorial. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below, because if you're not subscribed, what you doing? Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. So the lashes that I'm going to be putting on today are from my line as well, like I previously stated, and they are in the style Cash Flow, if you can see that. And like I said, I'm going to be using my eyeliner adhesive. It looks like this. If you can see that, I don't know how well you can see that, but when you take the top off, it looks like a regular eyelash pen or any liquid eyeliner. But the thing about this is that is a eyeliner adhesive in one, so it looks like an eyeliner, but it also adheres the lashes on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how easy that is. So let's go zoom on in, honey. So like I said, this is going to be the same if you decide to use any eyeliner pen, any liquid eyeliner besides the ones that have the brush on them. And if you want a tutorial, if you are using the brush, then just drop me a comment and let me know and we'll make it happen. So I open up my eyeliner, and the thing about doing a good wing liner is that you have to be quick about it. If you go slow, then it's going to end up like that you were trying to go slow and you're just going to end up messing it up. So you have to have like a quick hand. So the first thing that I like to do is I actually like to start from the outer corner of my eye about to the end of my eyebrow, and I will do a straight line. So I'll start from right here and just draw it to the edge of my eye right here, okay? And then so I'll take the top point and I will just drag it all the way across. Let me see if I can start up here and just drag it straight down until I reach the edge of my eye, okay? And then so you start from the inner corner and you just connect it. So by dragging it straight down like that, you can actually see where you're going. And so once you meet this edge of your eye right here, once you run out of space, it's just easier to connect it, and so you have a nice smooth line on the top. And so then you just want to fill it in. Just like you're coloring, just fill in your liner. So once I'm done filling it in like that, like I said, this is a eyelash adhesive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my lash and pop that right on before it dries. And it is so easy because it just pops right on like that. And you just stick it down. And there goes your lashes. They are on. So now you can see that my lash is on this eye and you have a nice wing liner. But just in case you make a mistake, I'm gonna show you an easy way to clean it up. So go on, come back, honey, come back, come back. So see, I may not have as sharp of an edge right here. So what you're going to do is basically take your concealer that you have used underneath your eye, or any type of concealer that you want. And I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. and I'm going to take a really flat brush. So find you a really flat brush. The brush I like to use is actually a paint brush. If you get a flat paint brush like this, then it's really good for cut creases and fixing your concealer. Okay, so you're going to take a little bit of concealer on your hand, and you're going to dip that brush into it. Just dip the ends like this, and you want to go along the side of your eyeliner, so you're just cleaning it up and making it look real sharp and crisp. And then you just blend your concealer down. And then you're gonna take whatever blending brush, definitely a small one, any small blending brush that you have, and just blend it out. So that way it blends into your skin and blends into your makeup. If you have already put setting powder right there, then you can go ahead and apply a little bit of a setting powder. That way it just go ahead and set that line. And so now you have a nice sharp wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side so you can see again. And that is literally it, you guys. That is exactly how I do my wing liner every single day that I'm wearing it, with either makeup look, anything like that. And like I said, you can use any liquid eyeliner, and the same concept applies. If you want to see me do a wing liner with any type of eyeliner that you may have that's different, then just drop me a comment, let me know what eyeliner it is, and I will try to go find it and do a tutorial as well. But if you guys like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Not subscribe, subscribe to my channel, honey, okay, for more tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Drop me a comment on whatever else you want to see. Bye.